Hey there. I got a new toy.
So I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to do an unboxing video for you, and I'm going to go over why I picked this up and how I'm going to use it. Let's get this thing open. Woohoo! Stay tuned. Greetings, everybody. Welcome to Brian's Table. I'm Brian Singh, and today we're going to unbox my new Anova precision chamber vacuum sealer. Yep, I got another vacuum sealer. This is the third one I've owned. Let's get it out of the box. As I said, third one I've owned. The first one was a very basic old one that you can see I most rate picked up for about $100 back around 2000. And I felt it really didn't do the job for me. Given that I felt that one lacked the oomph I wanted, I went and got a Sammic. And that one was over $4,000. Yep, it was a professional grade vacuum sealer. It used to reside in my kitchen, and it really took up the large part of the counter. And I just said, I need to get rid of it. So that one I gave to a friend of mine who has a makerspace here in Calgary, because they could use it for a whole range of other things, and I decided that it would be about time to get a new one. So I did a bit of research, and I've been a big fan of Anova in terms of what they're doing. And over the course of the last block of dinners we did this September, we used the vacuum sealer quite a bit. Given I was without one, I felt a little naked in my kitchen with it, given how often I used it. It's a super useful item to have. I'll be quite honest. I like having it because I do use it for my sous vide, but it's also great for keeping things fresh in the fridge. You could also get extra months out of things in the freezer. You've literally removed the air from the package, and it is that much more likely to be preserved for a long time. So that's why I picked up one. And this one, oddly enough, for the form factor it has, this one does everything that my $4,000 plus machine does. And I've got this one for on sale for just about $400. And what I'm going to use it for, oh, it's a beautiful unit. Look at this. I need to move off to the side here. Got a beautiful chamber in here. Comes with some bags. It does have the sealing strip here, which makes contact with that. And because it's a chamber one, it allows you to do liquids in here. A lot of other vacuum sealers, you have to use the gravity method to seal liquids. Not a big hassle, but with this one, you can do a lot more soups and sauces and have it ready. One of my main challenges with using a vacuum sealer is the plastic. It's something I'm not really happy about, but one of the things that I've started to do is I try to use my bags a lot more strategically. So there's more that goes into them. If I do have to seal something that I'm going to use within a month, I'm more likely to use a resealable, a reusable container. And I only use these for when I need that level of precision or that length of preservation. So, how do I intend on using this vacuum sealer specifically? I'm going to be doing more sous vide type dishes. I have now mastered duck confit, doing it sous vide style. And I want to experiment more with that, with maybe trying to do it with chicken, so that way we could have a cheaper meat and also that level of technique to it. Again, it's about bringing the everyday items to life. The other thing too is for marinades, I'm going to want to experiment with that. But the other thing too is I want to try a few more infusions. When you are able to have the vacuum sealer here with some of the marinades, you're able to do quick infusions and add another dimension to flavor in your food. So anyhow, I am quite excited to get going with this. It has a whole bunch of programs I'm quite excited about. So stay tuned over the course of the coming episodes of how I'm going to be using this baby. Do you have a vacuum sealer at home, and how do you use it? And what's the joy of doing it? And what's your solution for trying to use less plastic in it? Anyhow, folks, thanks again for watching. Thanks again for spending this little snippet of time with me. And if you are liking what you're seeing, please hit the subscribe button. It really does help me learn and grow this channel. This vacuum sealer, I know, is going to help me taste the world just a little bit better.